Autopilot, here we go. Oh, really want to talk about this because a lot of people commented on my last video, how do you re-engage autopilot if it disengages? Hopefully though, this cone up here is like sticking in my lane. Are you gonna see it autopilot? Yeah, okay, cool. Well, I mean, we didn't hit it, so that's good. Anyway, a lot of people commented, how do you re-engage autopilot if it disengages? Well, one, you should never get to a point when it disengages. That basically means something bad has happened, clearly. I don't know, maybe you had a stroke behind the wheel, maybe you passed out. Because of the visual and auditory warnings, you should have taken over by then. If for some reason you do get kicked out, how do you re-enable it? That's what I'm gonna show you now. As you can see, it is blinking the lights, so that's our visual warning. We'll wait for the auditory, it's coming. There's the first one. About 10 seconds later, we'll get another one, and that's when it will kill it. And it will keep us in this same lane. Like you see right here, there is like a shoulder. It will not put us in that. So as you can see, I'm not doing it, and it's gonna kick us out. Auto steer unavailable. It's still auto steering me on this curve, so it does work there. Keeps you here, puts the flashers on, and keeps beeping. I don't know how long. I guess until you just disengage it. So basically what you saw there, now let's see, I have TAC, yes, but autopilot, no. We got in trouble. We were put in autopilot jail. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and pull over on the shoulder, and what I'm gonna do real quick, I'm gonna pull over safely. Nobody here. I'm going to go ahead and put the car in park. And now I can go ahead and put it in drive, reverse, whatever, and it will now work again. But it won't put you like onto the shoulder. So a lot of people commented, why doesn't it do that? Maybe it will in the future. But as it is now, like if you really had an accident in your Tesla, whether like something that incapacitated you, maybe you passed out or something, it won't physically let you do anything. And it's better to stay in your lane and put on your flashers than just drift wherever. That's not gonna be helpful. So, I mean, you gotta kind of rely on people behind you paying attention, but at the same point, it's their job as a driver on the road to be paying attention to the other cars. Maybe in the future, it will be able to put you on the shoulder. Unfortunately, right now, it doesn't, but basically, it's the lesser of two evils. If you passed out in a regular car, you would drift, and God only knows if your foot was stuck on the accelerator, that would be even worse. At least in this, it won't let you go over a certain speed in autopilot, like 5 miles or so over unless you're on like the highway. But also like if you have your foot on the accelerator, as we showed in our last video, it will still kick you out if you aren't holding the wheel and being attentive. So I kind of just wanted to go over that. I had a lot of comments, a lot of emails, a lot of people contacted me about this because it is a genuine concern, but stopping in the lane wherever you are is not going to be as bad as drifting possibly to head-on traffic. That would be 10 times worse. But I definitely think this is the best case thing right now. Hopefully in the future it will be able to see like shoulders and maybe pull off there. But for now, I'm perfectly happy with this. A lot of people were concerned about it, but just think about the other things that could be happening. This is by far the lesser of whatever could be happening, is just keep you in your lane, put on your flashers. That way other drivers know there's an issue. And hopefully somebody will at least come to help you, and it will just keep beeping until someone presses on the brake and disengages it. But yeah, hopefully that helped answer a few of the questions from that last video. I know there were a lot. Put it down below if you have any more, and I will try to answer them as best I can and with what knowledge I do have on it. I know Elon recently did say though that actually a lot of people will experience these beeps. I have never had it beep once or even kick me out of autopilot when I am driving an autopilot. And this vehicle right now has almost 16,000 miles on it. My last one had 12,000 miles, and I never had it beep unless I was testing it. I have seen the lights around the outside, so I don't know. Have you guys had it beep at you when you've just been daily driving? To me, it kind of just says that there really wasn't any attention being paid, and really it does say you need to pay attention, so just be careful. I don't really want to see any accidents with this. But that's basically it. Hopefully that helped answer some of your guys' questions that you guys had. I know there was a lot of them. If there are any more, put them down in the comment section below and we will talk about it there. But definitely check out our website, teslainventory.com, if you're looking for a Tesla. If you're looking for a new or inventory Model S or X, feel free to use our referral code. It's down in the description below, and you will actually get free unlimited supercharging, which is the only way to do so. If you use it, definitely send us an email through the website contact page. That way I have your information, so when we take delivery of our next gen Roadster, we can invite you guys out, experience the delivery, do some test drives, because really without your support, none of this would be possible. So I can't thank you guys enough. But definitely thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Go and click here to subscribe here for some other videos, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.
I ain't gonna die tonight. You can't kill me, not my spirit. History is ours tonight. The people are chanting.